Hey guys, I hope that you all are having a wonderful day. Today is a grocery haul. It is summertime. My kids are home from school, so I had to do a very major food shopping today because I had to make sure I have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and all the snacks. This is a 2-week grocery haul. Yeah, so let's get into it. Okay guys, so a couple tips on how I save money. Now remember, I have a big family, a family of 8 that I am shopping for, each month. And it is expensive because we all know that groceries are very expensive nowadays. And it's just, everything that comes with it, it's just a lot, because some people eat more than others, some people are very picky eaters and that has to be selective. So my tips on how I budget and I actually save money, because all of my groceries that I do have, now I'm about to show you guys, was about... Okay guys, so I actually save a lot of money. I usually kind of go over $800 with the family that I have, with the size of family that I have, okay? But I did not. I had spent a total of $700 on all the food that I have. It's not just this, there's stuff over here and stuff on the floor that has to be put up to show you guys all of it. I'm gonna show you guys everything. But my main tips on how to budget and save money is look up some coupons.
I'm just gonna show her food.
Okay, go ahead. Coupons, okay? Coupons will save you in the store, trust me. Listen, you can get some good deals with some coupons, okay? I like to shop. Number 2, I also like to shop at different stores because some stores have the items cheaper than the other stores. So sometimes I shop at 2 different stores, maybe 3 different stores, because you can save a whole bunch of money. Okay, doing that, yes. I only shopped at 1 store. I shopped at Acme, just Acme. I always shop at Acme because they always have good sales. And I save a whole bunch of money at Acme as well because they always have like good deals, discounts. And I also have like the card, so I get points and I get stuff like that. As well as I always make a menu. Each month I make a menu on what I'm going to make for dinner. So for like breakfast and lunch, it's very like optional. They may have cereal, they may want cereal, they may want a big breakfast. It switches up, and that's fine. For lunch, they may want a sandwich, grilled cheese. They may want some chicken and some french fries or pizza, Lunch and breakfast is kind of like different, but for like dinner, I like to make sure that I have a menu on what I'm going to cook so that I know all the stuff I need, like my vegetables I need, starches. I said vegetables already. Come on, brain. Alright guys, so starting over here, I got some pizza rolls, these are for lunch. I got some, this is chicken breast, Swiss cheese, white American cheese. I got these ribs. Yeah, I know you guys see this, it says pork. I don't eat this, this is for my partner because he likes ribs. I don't do ribs. I got some Sabret beef hot dogs. Got some steakums, and I got some Bubba Burgers, sweet onion. And I got some cheeses, of course, Italian style cheese that has mozzarella, provolone, parmesan, romano in it. Also got the mozzarella and provolone cheese, Kobe Jack. And I got the Mexican style cheese right there. So I got some chicken fajita, popcorn chicken, the chicken breast dino nuggets. I got 2 of those. You know, it's summertime, kids are home. I had to make sure that they have a proper lunch. That's just me. I got spinach. I got 2 things of chicken wings. And I also got the extra crispy Pringles French fries. Now I got these mangoes. Already cut up. Raspberries, strawberries, and I also got some green grapes. Okay, so I also got my broccoli. I got this broccoli as well, like the fresh cut ones. Got peppers. I got these already cut up, yes. Lazy, right? I know. But I got these ones. Got some kiwi, finally. Watermelon. I got lettuce. Yoplait yogurt. And I also got 2 eggs. I got this coconut for my husband because he likes the coconut. I can't have coconut. I am allergic. But bought this for him because he loves this and enjoys it. I got zucchini, cucumbers. Of course I got peppers. Still got them not cut up, but this is these peppers. Green peppers. Got my lemons, limes, my tomatoes. I cannot wait till my tomato plant grows so I don't have to buy no more tomatoes, no more cucumbers. Oh my God. And no more squash. I could just pick it out my yard. So I got my Colby Jack block cheese, sour cream, butter, my pineapple, fresh pineapple. Got my black sliced olives, my dragon fruit, yellow peppers, and I also got potatoes. Okay, so over here I got the Munchies chips, dry strawberries, baby food, because my baby girl will be 6 months very soon, and I want to stock up on food. I got the honey. As I told you guys, we only use this one. So, like I told you guys, get this one. They had different sizes. This was the cheapest one, which was $10, but that ain't cheap, but you know. It's healthy. It's healthiest one. So I got hot dog and hamburger buns, honey wheat bread, and I got my jasmine rice. So for tacos, I did get the stacked queso crunch kit. The street taco shells, little ones, and also the small flour tortillas. So over here, I got my marshmallows for s'mores for when I do with the kids. My veggie straws, sea salt, love these. Like, these are my favorite snack. I got granola, strawberry vanilla, and I also got hot banana pepper rings for the salad I will be making. I got Gatorade water for my son. I got silk almond milk, vanilla. I got white cranberry, strawberry, ocean spray. These are on sale. I got the Tropicana Caribbean Sunset and Simply Lemonade, white strawberry, and I got Simply Peach. 2 of those, 2 Simply Peaches. Lactaid, milk goes fast in my house, so I had to get, I should have got 1 more because 1 will be gone today. Over here, I did get my rye and pumpernickel bread. Okay, so I got me the owl yogurts. These are my favorites. Ever since I tried it, I could not stop eating them, so I got the raspberry one. It's blended already. I got 2 of those, and I also got the one with strawberry at the bottom, and yeah, it's like French vanilla at the top. Okay, I got 3 of those. Yeah, onto like the little snacks I got, right? So I got the strawberry pasty crisp from Special K. I got the Nutri-Grain bars, strawberry. I got the Juicy Fulls Welch's fruit snacks. I got the Island Splash and mixed berry. So I got the graham crackers. And I also got some Cheez-Its. And I got the Welch's fruit snacks, fruit punch, and berries and cherries. So right here I got little muffins that they can have like their little snack time for lunch or whatever. You know, this is all for like, you know, then for lunch, staying home. So I got blueberry muffins, and I also got the fudge brownies. And I did get some cupcakes, chocolate, and vanilla. But these are like typically for when I start family school with them. And as well as I want to save some for like when I do the little cookout for them. I just want to make sure that it's like, you know, full of everything that we need. So I got these tasty cake chocolate cupcakes. I got 2 packs of those. The cosmic brownies, the oatmeal cream pies, and I got the 2 Oreos, you know, chocolate and the golden Oreos. Like I said, I shop literally on sale with half this stuff on sale. So I got me some oatmeal cookies. I love me some oatmeal cookies. I haven't had these in a while, but for some reason I was like craving it, so I was like, let me get this. And yes, I got the store brand. Okay, still good. So I got the Funfetti mini pancakes. So I got these little like ice pops, you know, because sometimes it gets really, really hot. And I like these ice pops. So they're simple, just throw them in the refrigerator. You keep them out until you're ready to use them. So I got 2 packs of them for 20. These are literally like $2 a pack, literally. So could have got more, but you know, didn't want to buy out. They spend too much. So I got the rotini noodles. I got my corned beef applesauce patches. They love them. Got these noodles just for quick lunch or whatever for them. My lunch. Okay. So I got the Kool-Aid blue raspberry lemonade. Mayo taco seasoning, turkey sausages. I got these little pieces, personalized size, 3 meats, 2 of those, stuffed crust. I also got the French bread pizza, and they got probably like, I usually always get Red Baron, but these are on sale, so that's why I got it. Okay, so I also got turkey pepperoni. Sale, listen, I tell you guys, look for the sales, okay? Look for the sales. Okay? Yes, I got this for $2. $2 for both of them. So I got Hellmann's mayonnaise, some sugar. Got this Kool-Aid. You know, easy drinks to make. Black beans, sauerkraut, worries, and Creole seasoning. I got some stuff I did not take out of the bag. Okay. Because I didn't have enough space on the counter. So I did get a whole chicken. I got 2 whole chickens. And I also got some more chicken breasts. Got this pomegranate peach passion white tea. Got the Kool-Aid burst. I also got the raisin cinnamon bread. And I got chocolate syrup, strawberry syrup, the Red Hot Wings buffalo sauce, and I actually got this for free, an Italian sauce. More turkey sausage. I got some more biscuits. Cookie dough, heavy whipping cream right there. And I think this is another Simply Peach. And got some just regular lemonade. More cranberry juice. I got them fruit roll-ups. Some syrup. Like I said, this is more cranberry juice, ocean spray. The Capri Suns. Oh my god. Alright. And some pancake mix. Cereal, so I got Special K, strawberry and vanilla. This one's new. I had to try it. Fruit Loops with marshmallows, and I got the Oreos. This is a snack. Okay. So I got the 4C raspberry. Oh god. Everything bagels. Cinnamon raisin bagels. I got more baby food in here. So this is the green beans, bananas, more sweet potatoes, pear, apple. And they had these mini Snapples. These are for my partner. And when he goes to work, so I can pack his lunch. Snapple apple and peach tea. Oh, my arm is like on fire. Alright. So I had to spoil myself and get my vanilla latte from Starbucks. Blue Bonnet. And this is the journal. Stuffed cheese pizza. And my classic old Red Baron. That's it. I think, no, that is not it. Okay, hold on.
Do you think she just has to make a smile in this house?
No.
Exactly. Make it